Yo, peoples. Okay. So, update. It was actually not the 22nd. It's actually only the 21st today, but Eagles are here. We have the new pet tigers, which, oh, I got a drumgram. Oh, thanks. 1 minute. Okay, so Eagles are in here. I can't get one. Darn it.
You only have 6.
Pretty much.
The people.
I'll just beat them all. Okay, go away, cool pics. Go away. No likes here. Okay, and the tigers are back. They're really cute. The tigers are very, very cute. And Swoopy Eagle is in Coral Canyons. Okay, so up here by this nesty thingy, and it's just Flappy Bird, really. I'm not very good at this. My high score is only 8.
My high score is 1.
5, yeah. So yeah, that's Swoopy Eagle, and it's also in the arcade. And it's also in the arcade, right? Next to Best Dressed. Wait, what happened to Best Dressed?
It's down somewhere by it's down by Falling Phantoms.
No, it's not.
It's just down.
Look,
here.
it's not down there.
Right there.
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, it's right there. So yeah, there's Swoopy Eagle, and you can also buy Swoopy Eagle for your den. Right there. It's 2 diamonds. And I'm kinda I don't hate non-members, but
Hey, I got 6!
Let's go! Okay, go away. Okay, so rain clouds, and snow clouds are now. Be quiet. Okay. And Dragon Gloves came in stores, which is really not good. Okay, so Swoopy Eagle's right there.
Happy Snowman!
No one cares.
Hold on to my dreams, relaxing in the summer dreams.
And new items are coming. Yeah. And then there's just like
don't you dare.
There's this thing. And they got the new things, but I'll leave that for you people too. Okay. Oops.
No, don't
Frogs? Okay. Yeah. Anyway, I don't really like the new updates except the Eagles and the tires and stuff. Other than that, I don't like the new updates. And like Super Eagle, I like. But yeah, yo.
You sound like a creep.
Yo. Okay.
Wind is howling like this swirling storm.
Where are you?
At your den.
No.
Hi.
Hi.
I'll wait for 10.
Okay. Anyway.
Did you see that?